Hey folks, Adam here, and I'm happy to show off. This is my Narwhal. It's the Z10 Freo, and we've been testing it over a day now, probably 2 days, non-stop testing, and I gotta say this thing is passing with flying colors due to its dual flow tangle-free system, not a single hair getting caught in the brush. I love that. It's done a great job with the mops extending, getting into those tricky corners. It's got 15,000 PA of suction, an AI-powered base station that will hot water mop wash, auto dry and empty, so you never have to touch dirty mops. Millimeter precision avoidance to where it'll go around anything that could get stuck, sucked up, or spread around. And it will mop until your floors are spotless. Let's go ahead and check it out and kick it off right about now. Now, one of the things that I love is that laser guidance system. They've just done a great job giving you premium laser guidance to where this thing is mapping out your entire house, and it's efficiently cleaning in a manner that's going to get the job done, not just perfectly, but quickly as well. This has those mops that'll extend out, and I love the material they have here. And seriously, we'll show this again in the up close portion of the video, but we've been mopping all day, and as soon as these mops get dirty, it goes back, it docks, it cleans the mops, and then it gets back to work. It's using AI to determine when it's time to clean the mops and when it's time to use the mops. This thing will recognize particles to adjust the cleaning. So if there's a lot of dirt, it'll get in there. And yeah, it's got built-in sensors to identify messes and clean in one pass. And you know what? If it needs to go back, it's smart enough to know to go back. Spin, scrub, spotless. That's what they say with this brand. And yeah, this is going to mimic hand scrubbing because it really gets in there and cleans your floors like you've never seen before. That's because those brushes are rotating at 180 RPM with 8 N of downward pressure, and it's going to give a completely streak-free surface. We tested it on wood, we tested it on tile, we tested it on carpet, and you know what? It knows how to deal with it. When it's on carpet, it stops mopping. On wood and tile, it does a great job, and it doesn't leave the floors wet. Some of your other companies are going to leave your floors wet, and if you got real wood floors, you probably don't want that. It's got auto-targeted cleaning with Dirt Sense. Dirt Sense finds those dirty areas, it goes over them, and it cleans them perfectly. And yeah, this thing is literally twice as fast as my previous mop and vacuum. It's got 12 millimeters of mop lift. That means the mops will lift off the ground, and it will avoid contamination and dragging across your rugs. And it's got a methodical cleaning pattern where it will do like a zigzag pattern and make sure to clean your floors perfectly. Yeah. What truly determines whether a robot vacuum can solve the problem of sewage is the water absorption capacity. Narwhal has 4 layers, a really thick mop, and that results in strong water storage capacity, absorbing more water than usual mops. It's also important to note that the others only have side brushes and they cannot open and close. That causes a lot of tangles and manual effort. Then I gotta say, I love the app and the fact that the app ties into my Siri and that everything is perfect for Apple users or Google users. It works with your Google Home or your Echo device. And yeah, at a push of a button, I can see the map of my house that it's drawn out. I can clean specific areas, some no-go zones. I can click mop and vacuum, vacuum then mop, just vacuum, just mop. And yeah, it's a really impressive device that I love. In fact, it's telling me that, hey, you're holding it, let it go dry the mops. So it's really smart that it's telling me even that at the top line of the screen. So this is pretty impressive. So it'll tell you the history of your cleanings. It will allow you to schedule cleanings. Yeah, look at that. Just at a push of a button, I can ask it to schedule certain days and certain times. that's most convenient for me. So if I want it cleaning at night on a Thursday when I'm not going to be home, it will do that. This thing is really fantastic. You can clean just zones, just rooms, have no-go zones, and yeah, everything you need to know is literally at a push of a button. And you know what? The device speaks pretty good English, so you can talk directly to it, or at least it'll talk directly to you. So that is a real advancement as well. Now, they've done a great job giving you dual brushes, not single here, that are going to not only clean well, but it's going to keep hair from getting stuck there. And yeah, the community is raving about the quality of this product. Between the dual flow tangle-free system, means zero hair getting stuck to it, the V-shaped side brushes, and everything else. They've just done a great job. And I think it's because the engineers at this company are next level. They've got some of the brightest brains on the planet working on high quality products time and time again. And they've got a great history at Narwhal of making products that are built to last, guaranteed. Yeah, everything is covered. Nothing is missed. I'm talking spills. We ran this through some spill tests. And you know what? We didn't have a single issue with spills. We ran it to where we're checking the sides of the floors and the corners. No corner left dirty. Now that base station is great because the base station you can literally add in floor cleaner right there to get you a shine like you won't believe. And it starts off with the lemon and basil, so it smells good. You got 20 ounces there. So plenty of floor cleaning in your future. Those bags are big. And yeah, it's 104-degree hot air drying, 120-day base station self-emptying. So I'm talking 4 months, folks. You don't have to empty it. AI adaptive hot water mopping, auto dust compression, auto detergent dispensing, the intelligent dirt lift. And you know what? I love the fact that that detergent smells good. You got to believe me. The lemon and basil is beautiful. Now that hot mop, it'll go all the way to sterilization, 167 degrees. They've just done a great job cleaning this and making sure that the mops get nice and hot so that they're sterile. And yeah, this lasts 4 times longer. Most dust stations, you get about a month out of them. I'm talking 4 months here. So they've just done this. And all the cleaning modes are very customizable. You can customize it, let me show you, for your pets. You can customize it for stuff your kids would leave around. They've just done a great job of not only can you schedule, but it'll ask you a few questions when you set it up to know exactly the types of obstacles in your house. And then with those lasers and the AI, this thing will 360 scan your house with a detailed 3D map to give you the most efficient route, customize it, and make your house cleaner than ever before. Now, I also love that you can use your Google Home and your Echo device to say, clean here, and it'll clean. You can control this with voice, folks. Yeah, it's really fantastic. All-in-one app control, child lock protection, no-go zones to keep your, to keep the areas you don't want touched, not touched. The white color looks fantastic, and with the 5,000 mAh battery, this thing does not need to be charged very often. All right, we're going to show you the product up close and personal in a moment. But folks, if you want my personal 2 cents, it's time to go pick one up. They've just done a great job, and this is kind of the apex. It's that moment in history where robot mops and vacuum have reached their peak. And if you don't have this model, it's time to pick it up. Zero tangle brush, the dual side brushes, the bag, the mop pads, the base station, the floor detergent, the HEPA dustbin. I'd even mention that there's so many things to mention that it's going to be getting your air clean too when it's cycling that dust through. Folks, please go pick one up. You won't be disappointed. I know I can't show you everything that this does. You got to see it for yourself. Go pick one up. You're going to love it. And stick around for the up-close portion of our video. Oh, yeah. All right, folks, now it's time for our up-close portion of the video. This gives you the opportunity to see the product up close and personal And it's kind of like an unbox, but this gives you a moment at the end of the video to go ahead and pick this up and put it in your cart. That being said, let's go ahead and show it off. Now the device itself is really fantastic. Now it has a industry-leading 15,000 PA of suction. That means that this is sucking up unlike anything around. It's able to get your floors clean, whether that is a nice thick carpet or tile. You're going to be covered, wood, and a variety of surfaces. The app is nice because it lets you select the type of surface as well. Now, when you see these mops, these mops, 8 and stronger pressure mops with bionic extension. These have just done a great job where they're going to move where you need them. They're getting the edges. And look at this, they self-clean. So even though we've been using them all day to clean up things like chocolate, hot chocolate, all sorts of dirt and debris, this would pass the white cloth test where they are ultimately very clean. Every time you use them, they're cleaned. That matters. You don't want to be dragging dirt and bacteria across your floor. They clean their own mops whenever it's needed. Now over here, you've got this. Look at the resistance. This is a great shock absorption system with a rubberized hollowed wheel, meaning it's ultra quiet, okay? I want you to hear this with me. Okay, we don't have any noise canceling, but if you can't hear the wheels, that means that they've just done a great job making an ultra silent robot vacuum and mop. Now the anti-tangling, again, we've been recording all day, various rooms, doing a lot of testing. There's not a single hair stuck in here. That's important. Now you click right here and you can take out and replace or clean out the brush, but look how clean this brush is. Now it's got the rubberized and the fibers to give you an ultra clean surface, and that ultra suction is impressive. Now, it's got the AI hot mop washing and drying, again, making sure that you get the cleanest mops. It keeps your mop heads clean, which means your floor is going to be able to get clean. And it's hands-free, self-emptying system. This is big and efficient, and you're able to put your formulated floor cleaner in here. You're able to fill a big dustbin and get rid of that water, and that is really nice. Now, on top of all of that, it's a good look. It's just a darn good look. This is a beautiful white. I particularly like it. I love that it works with Google Home, the Apple Store, the Google Play. I love that it works with the Echo device. It works with Siri, and that Narwal Freo app just can't be beat, okay? Now, as we flip it over, you'll see the variety of sensors, okay? Great, beautiful sensors. And they've spared no expense putting the latest sensors, and they put a ton of them in here. Again, this is the Freo Z10, giving you a high quality experience. 15,000 PA of suction, 8 and stronger pressure mops, eliminates tangles, the hot mop washing and drying. This will self-dock, self-guide, it'll map your house, and it uses the latest sensors and technology to map your entire house, to do it quickly and efficiently. Very nice, right? All right, folks, what else can I tell you about this? Obviously, the tri-laser obstacle avoidance, they've just done a great job there. LiDAR services, lasers guiding you. Zero tangle brush, 15,000 PA of suction. The anti-tangle side brush system. You see how they have these side brushes? I gotta show you this. The side brushes are anti-tangle. I've never seen anything like this. Again, been using this all day, not a single hair stuck to it. And these are a very thorough design. So folks, I love that MopExtend and the edge swing design. I love the dual brushes right here that are anti-tangle, and they've just done a great job getting a mop that's going to get the nooks and crannies and those little spots in the house that other mops and vacuums are going to miss. So folks, my question is to you, what are you waiting for? It's time to go ahead and pick one up and get to shopping. You know I love you and I appreciate you, but yeah, go pick one up. You absolutely won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching. Go get one, and adios, amigos.